It's definitely heartbreaking when kind of planning your life long term about, marriage, kids, going through premarital counseling, it all kind of crumbles apart, right? And like, what do we do now? I mean, literally surgeon after surgeon told us you're too severe for surgery. She has scoliosis and 2 herniated discs. So they said, luckily they said, if we operate and we do a microdiscectomy, it's just going to fail because you have such severe scoliosis. But at that time, we were like begging for surgery because she was like, how can I live like this? I can't even, walk.